Good day everyone! I'm Teacher Roseanne, your guide in learning Grade 7 Mathematics. Preparations. Please be ready with your self-learning module SLM. Have a pen and paper notebook with you. Make it sure that you are in a place at home that is far from distractions. Absolute value and operations of integers, Quarter 1, Week 3. Competency. Absolute value of a number on a number line, fundamental operations on integers. Pretest. Please answer your self-learning module on page 2 in 20 seconds. Now let us answer. Lesson 1. Absolute value. Defined as the distance of a number from 0 on the number line. It tells us how far a number is from 0. Ito ay halimbawa ng number line, na ang nasa gitna ay 0 or point of origin, mula 0 papuntang kanan ay mga binubuo ng positive number, mula 0 papuntang kaliwa ay binubuo ng negative number. Example 1. Use a number line to represent and find the absolute value of negative 5. Muli, gumuhit tayo ng number line. Mula 0 papuntang kanan ay mga positive numbers. Mula 0 papuntang kaliwa ay mga negative numbers. Since sa halimbawa ay negative 5, isulat natin mula 0 hanggang negative 5. Bilangin natin ang pagitan ng 0 at negative 5. Mula point of origin 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So, upang matunto ng negative 5, mayroong 5 movements o 5 pagitan mula 0 hanggang negative 5. Example 2. Use number line to represent and find the absolute value of 7. Gumamit tayo ulit ng number line. Alamin natin kung ilan ang pagitan ng 0 hanggang 7 or point of origin 0 hanggang 7. So, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, upang marating ang 0 to 7, may 7 movements. Example 3. What is the absolute value of negative 25? Base sa binigay na halimbawa kanina, malalaman natin na ang absolute value of negative 25 ay equal sa 25. Absolute value symbol. The symbol for absolute value is denoted as, for example, instead of writing the absolute value of negative 8, we can just write it as the absolute value of negative 8. Observe the following examples. Opposite numbers. Opposite numbers have the same absolute values. It means they have the same distance from 0. Opposite numbers are also known as additive inverses. Ito ay mga halimbawa ng additive inverses. Halimbawa, ang 1, ang additive inverse niya ay negative 1, 5 at negative 5, 10 at negative 10, and so on. The sum of the additive inverses is 0. So, pag pinag-add mo sila, ang magiging kasagutan ay 0. Fundamental operations on integers: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Integers, set of numbers consisting of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, and their negatives. Addition of integers. To add integers with like signs, add their absolute values, then copy the common sign. To add integers with unlike signs, subtract their absolute values, then copy the sign of the integer with a greater absolute value. A movement to the right means positive, and a movement to the left means negative. Adding integers with like signs, positive, positive, or negative, negative. Add the absolute values and copy the common signs. Example 1, positive 4 plus positive 6. Gamit ang number line, alamin natin kung ano ang positive 4 plus positive 6. So mula point of origin, bumilang tayo ng 4, pakanan. Mula sa 4, magbilang tayo ng 6 pakanan. Natuntun natin ang 10. So, masasabi natin na ang positive 4 plus positive 6 ay equal sa 10. Maaari din tayong gumamit ng sign tiles. Sa positive 4, gumuhit ng 4 na positive signs. Sa positive 6, gumuhit ng 6 na positive signs. Bilangin lahat ng naguhit na positive signs. Kaya masasabi natin na ang positive 4 plus positive 6 ay equal sa positive 10 or 10. Example 2, negative 12 plus negative 5. Gumamit tayo ng sign tiles. Sa negative 12, gumuhit ng 12 na negative signs. Sa negative 5, gumuhit ng 5 negative signs. Bilangin lahat ng negative sign. Sa makatuwid, negative 12 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 17. Example 3, negative 16 plus negative 25. Sa halimbawang ito ay malaki na ang number, kaya gagamit na tayo ng rules of addition of integer. Negative 16 plus negative 25, since plus ito at parehas silang negative, i-add natin ang mga numero. 16 plus 25 is equal to 41. Parehas silang negative, susundin natin ng negative sign. So, ang sagot ay negative 41. Example 4, positive 123 plus positive 254. Muli, dahil malaki na ang numero, gagamit tayo ng rules of addition of integers. Positive 123 plus positive 254. Parehas silang positive at addition ang operation na kanilang gagamitin. 123 plus 254 is equal to 377. At dahil parehas silang positive, positive din na magiging sagot. So, positive 377. Adding integers with unlike signs, positive, negative, or negative, positive. Rule: subtract their absolute values and copy the sign of the number with greater absolute value. Example 1, positive 4 plus negative 6. Gumamit tayo ng number line. Mula 0, magbilang tayo pakanan ng 4 na beses. Positive 4. Mula positive 4, magbilang tayo pakaliwa ng 6 na beses. Kung ano ang huling tinuro, iyon ang magiging sagot. At ito ay negative 2. So, maaari nating sabihin, positive 4 plus negative 6 ay equal sa negative 2. Using sign tiles, sa positive 4, gumuhit ng 4 na positive signs. Sa negative 6, gumuhit ng 6 na negative signs. Pag meron tayong positive and negative, maaari natin silang i-cancel. Pag partner-partnerin ang positive at negative. Kung ano ang natira, yun ang sagot. So, meron tayong dalawang negative. So, positive 4 plus negative 6 is equals to negative 2. Example 2, negative 10 plus 7. Again, gumamit tayo ng sign tiles. Sa negative 10, gumuhit ng 10 negative signs. Sa positive 7, gumuhit ng 7 positive signs. Muli, pagpartnerin ang negative at positive at i-cancel. Kung ano matitira, iyon ang sagot. So, ang natira ay negative 3. So, negative 10 plus 7 is equals to negative 3. Example 3, negative 15 plus 37. Since malaki na ang number, gagamit tayo ng rules of addition of integers. Negative 15 plus 37. Magkaiba sila ng sign at ang operation ay addition. Since magkaiba ang kanilang sign, isubtract natin ang mga number. 15 minus 37. So, meron tayong 22. Hanapin natin ang mas malaking numero. Ang mas malaking numero ay 37 at ang sign nito ay positive. Kaya ang sagot ay positive 22. Example 4, 28 plus negative 13. Gumamit tayo ng rules of addition of integers. Positive 28 plus negative 14. Muli, magkaiba ang kanilang sign at ang operation ay addition. Isubtract natin ang 28 by 13. 28 minus 13 is 15. Ang mas malaking numero ay 28. Sundan ang sign ng mas malaking numero. So, sa malaking numero, ito ay positive 28. So, magiging sagot ay positive 15. Example 5, 59 plus negative 82. Muli, gumamit tayo ng rules of addition of integer. Positive 59 plus negative 82. Muli, isubtract natin ang 59 by 82. So, ang sagot ay 23. At ang mas malaking numero ay negative 82, kaya sundan ang sign, negative. Negative 23 ang sagot. Subtraction of integers. If a and b are both integers, then a minus b is equals to a plus negative b. This means that to subtract integer from another integer, add the opposite or additive inverse of the second integer to the first integer. Example 1, 8 minus negative 6. 8 minus negative 6. Palitan ang minus ng plus. So, 8 plus, palitan natin ng kabaliktaran ng sign ng negative 6. So, magiging positive 6. 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. Example 2, 5 minus 8. Muli, 5 minus 8, palitan natin ang minus ng plus. 5 plus, at ang kabaliktaran na sign ng positive 8 ay negative 8. 5 plus negative 8. Magkaiba ng sign, so isubtract. 5 minus 8 is 3. Mas malaking numero ang 8, at ito ay may negative sign, kaya ang sagot ay negative 3. Example 3, negative 10 minus negative 4. Isulat ang negative 10 minus negative 4. Palitan ang minus sign ng plus. Negative 10 plus, at ang kabaliktaran ng negative 4 ay positive 4. Negative 10 plus 4, magkaiba sila ng sign, kaya ito ay ating isubtract. 10 minus 4 ay 6. Mas malaki ang negative 10 at ito ay may negative sign. Kaya ang sagot ay negative 6. Example 4. Negative 15 minus negative 25. Negative 15 minus negative 25, palitan ang minus ng plus sign. Negative 15 plus, ang kabaliktaran ng negative 25 ay positive 25. Negative 15 plus 25, 15 minus 25 is equal to 10. At mas malaking numero ang positive 25, kaya ito ang ating susundan. Positive 10 ang sagot. Example number 5, negative 12 minus 24. Negative 12 minus 24. Kopyahin ang unang numero, negative 12, palitan ng minus ng plus, at palitan ang positive 24 ng negative 24. Parehas na sila ng sign, negative. I-add natin, 12 plus 24 is 36. Dahil parehas sila ng sign, kopyahin ang sign, negative. So, negative 36. Multiplication and division of integers. Multiplication and division of integers follow the same rule. Rule: in multiplying or dividing two integers having the same signs, the product or quotient is always positive. In multiplying or dividing two integers having different signs, the product or quotient is always negative. Multiplication of integers, same signs. 3 times 2. So, sa pag-multiply ng positive 3 times positive 2, dahil parehas na ng sign, magiging positive ang sagot. 3 times 2 is 6. Negative 5 times negative 4. Muli, parehas sila ng sign, parehas silang negative. So, ang gagawin, magiging positive ang ating magiging product. 5 times 4 is 20. Negative times negative is positive. So, the answer is positive 20. Negative 10 times negative 3. Parehas sila ng sign na negative. Muli, dahil parehas sila ng sign, ang ating product ay magiging positive. 10 times 3 is 30. Then negative and negative, magiging positive. So, positive 30. 8 times 7. Positive 8 times positive 7. Parehas sila ng sign. So, magiging positive ang ating product. 8 times 7 is 56. Multiplication of integers, different signs. Negative 5 times 7. Magkaiba sila ng sign. Ang isa ay negative, ang isa ay positive. Muli, i-multiply natin 5 times 7. So, ang magiging sagot ay 35. Negative at positive, magkaiba ng sign. So, ang magiging product ay negative. Negative 35 ang sagot. Positive 15 times negative 3. Positive 15 times negative 3. Muli, i-multiply natin. 15 times 3, 45. Magkaiba ng sign, positive and negative, kaya ang magiging product ay negative 45. 8 times negative 5. So, 8 times negative 5, positive and negative, magkaiba ng sign. I-multiply 8 times 5 is 40. Then, positive and negative, magiging negative 40. Negative 11 times 10. So, again, i-multiply ang 11 by 10. 11 times 10 is 110. Negative and positive, negative ang product. So, negative 110 ang sagot. Division of integers, same sign. 12 divided by 3. Positive 12 divided by positive 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Positive and positive, so ang magiging quotient ay positive 4. Negative 35 divided by negative 7. Negative 35 divided by negative 7. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Parehas silang sign na negative, kaya ang magiging quotient ay positive. Positive 5. Negative 120 divided by negative 5. Negative 120 divided by negative 5. Muli, i-divide natin. 120 divided by 5. 24. Negative divided by negative, positive. Kaya ang quotient, positive 24. (64) divided by 4. Positive 64 divided by 4. (16). Parehas lang positive, kaya positive ang sagot. Positive 16. Division of integers, different signs. Negative 15 divided by 3. Negative 15 divided by positive 3. 15 divided by 3, 5. Negative at positive, kaya ang quotient ay negative. Ang sagot ay negative 5. 35 divided by negative 5. 35 divided by negative 5. 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. Positive at negative, kaya ang magiging quotient ay negative. Negative 7. Negative 120 divided by 10. Negative 120 divided by 10. 120 divided by 10 is equal to 12. Negative at positive, kaya ang quotient ay negative. Negative 12. 64 divided by negative 8. 64 divided by negative 8. 64 divided by 8 is 8. Positive and negative, kaya ang quotient ay negative 8.